Hey friends! Good morning! Grabe, it's already December na guys. Grabe, December 3. Yeah, today is Monday, December 3 na. And it's been a while since I did a vlog again kasi medyo naging busy tayo. And sorry for the wet hair kasi I didn't have time to blow dry my hair. So we are going to be heading out of the house kasi today Monday we are planning to go to the doctor's clinic for Rookie yun. And we've been pushing this appointment for like last week pa. So last Monday we went there and the doctor we were late, so yun. Then during the week we got busy, so hindi na nakapata. So ngayon na naman Monday. How are you all guys? How are you all? I miss you all. Grabe. Magpapasko na and it's soon to be, 2019. Grabe. Grabe. Ang bilis ng panahon. So, what else? I don't know. I feel so awkward talking to the camera again. So, yun. Aalis na kami and I will see you later. Nandito na kami sa medical arts, but ang hirap
Sabi
humanap ng
sila,
parking.
mga bantin sila di.
No. Grabe. Today is Monday kasi kaya maraming tao dito sa Yeah, weird ang aking lips but it's fine. I cannot be bothered na mag-lipstick. So yan. Nag-run sana swertehin kami ni Rookie today. Kasi last time na nagpunta kami, wow, we were so lucky kasi may parking. May umalis kaya nakapark kami. So magsi-circle na lang kami muna guys. Good luck to you, my precious friend. We just finished from the clinic, guys. Hello. Tapos tapos na din pala kami sa SMC side and we're going home to eat lunch kasi we haven't eaten lunch. We decided to go home to eat lunch kasi I'm going to make Napolitan spaghetti. Napolitan Japanese style spaghetti yun. So I'm gonna make, kasi meron pa akong half na 450 grams na spaghetti doon na pasta. Yeah, I'm planning to make one kasi I really wanted to eat Napolitan kasi tagal ko nang hindi naka-eat ng Napolitan. Yeah, yun yung favorite na spaghetti ko. Hi Jer. Wow, wapo.
Karon pa kita.
Karon pa, just now Rajud. See you later guys. So we're home na kanina pa, and like I said kanina na magluluto ako ng Napolitan. So yun nga, nagluto ako ng Napolitan pero medyo palpa kasi medyo
Presentation was okay, but
What?
presentation was okay, but it's a little bit strong on the salt side.
Yeah, because I put salt sa when I boiled the pasta. First time good. So next time na magluto ako ng Napolitan, I don't know what went wrong, basta it was too salty, so but I really miss eating Napolitan kasi I like the taste of yung kulang pala, Jer, mushroom.
Huh?
Mushroom.
Ihishiro.
Yeah, we need mushroom. Next time gonna buy mushroom, then
Hello, mama si papa.
big na green na bell pepper kasi yun yung masarap. So wala na guys, hindi ko na mapakita sa inyo kasi wala na, inaubos na, kinain na namin. Tapos I'm just drinking coffee and I'm gonna try to eat yung dala ni Mother na cupcake yan, ito yung cupcake na yung party nila kahapon. Party ba yun? I don't know, but they have get together yesterday with her classmates. Yan, may dala siyang cupcake. So, yun, mag-chill muna ako. Maui's looking over there. See you later. Ito pala yung Napolitan ko, guys. Ayan, it looks so pale. sa camera, but it's not. So, simple lang to gawin. Just need sausage, and yan. Basta, yung kulang nito, mushroom. Yan, konti na lang yung naipon. But I really like to have it a lot, yung green bell pepper, kasi masarap yung green bell pepper. So, just trying to upload a video kasi it's been 2 weeks na ba or more since my last upload. And while doing that, but I already have a video that is already edited, yung isang video lang na vlog. Yun muna yung i-upload ko, and then I'm going to edit some, and while editing, I'm going to eat this Snicker Oats na chocolate. It's a kuan. Buy 3 Snickers Oats, save as much 20 pesos. This is only 79 or 78 pesos, guys. But if you buy single na ganito na Snickers, like around mga 32 or 34 pesos yata. So, nabili namin to sa guys, marami silang mga ganito na 3 packs, and then naka-save na. Meron din sa M&M's, tapos meron din sa Hershey's. So, I'm gonna be snacking on this one while still drinking my coffee. Bye guys! Hello, bye-bye! Ang naong ni Miguel. Suplado kayo ni Miguel. Oy, Gel! Bye-bye, Gel! Awi! Back inside the car na naman. So, we're leaving kasi we are going to fetch the monkeys in school. So it's already 4:30, kaya we are dali-daliing. So, I'm back in my outfit. I changed my clothes and also wear my powerful earring. I miss wearing this one, so I decided na to wear this. Ayan. So, oh my god, the road is so bumpy. Oh, grabe, ang init ngayon, panahon. So, kukunin na muna namin yung mga kids, and I don't know if I will be back later. Let's see. Okay? So, we're home, and I'm going to feed the doggies na. Umulan sa labas, and this is the doggies food today. Fried chicken. Gutom na sila. It's almost like mga 7:45 na. So, i-chop-chop ko lang muna tong, eto. And then, yeah, mix with rice. And then, it's time to eat the doggies. But to eat the doggies, or to feed the doggies. So, friend, I still have one last thing to do. And I'm going to Baba for the bomber. So, I'm just going to ready the dog's food for tomorrow kasi wala na silang foodie for tomorrow, and yeah, then bukas ko na lang lulutuin, but I'm going to marinate this tonight na. So, ayan, ito yung chicken na kakainin nila, guys. This is chicken neck. Ayan, kasi bawal yung thighs kasi medyo matigas yung yung buto. Unlike with the chicken neck, it is, kasi nagsawa na sila sa chicken breast, ayaw na nila kumain. So, ang ginawa ko is, I am going to marinate this one with soy sauce, and little vinegar. Yeah, soy sauce, pa ba? Onion and a little garlic. Yan, then I'm going to fry this one kasi mas gusto nila na yung fried chicken. Compared to yung dati nung binuboil ko lang yung chicken, ayaw na nila talaga nun. Tapos nasasayang lang din yung chicken. Tapos ang mahal pa ng breast chicken. So, eto is only like 80 pesos per kilo. So, medyo tipid compared before. And ayaw na din nila nun. Kaya eto na naman yung gusto nilang kainin. So, I'm just going to marinate this one and put it inside the fridge. And bukas ko na lulutuin. So, here we go. Eto na yung marinated chicken, tapos lalagay ko sa plastic and then sa refrigerator. Yan. Wow.